In this video, we are going to discuss about VLAN configuration. So, how to create a VLAN and assign switch ports to that VLAN. So, if you see here, a VLAN concept may be bit overwhelming in the start, but actually you see that actual configuration of VLANs in a network of switches require just a few simple steps here. So, there are only two simple steps. One is creating the VLAN and assigning the switch ports to that VLAN. So, we will create a VLAN and assign some switch ports to it. So, before going that, you consider these are the departments: engineering, finance, marketing, management and sales, and we are creating a separate VLANs to it. VLAN 10 for engineering, VLAN 20 for finance, VLAN 30 for management, VLAN 50 for sales and VLAN 40 for marketing here. So, let us see the first step. So, first we have to enable and we have to check what VLANs are available on the switch as a default. You see, show VLAN brief gives you a default port details as well as what are the port details available here for that default VLAN. And coming to 1002 is also a default one, and 1003 followed by 1004 and 1005. So, these are the default VLANs available on the Cisco switch before creating any VLAN here. If you consider creating a VLAN with IDs 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 with different departments, you have to follow this configuration here clearly. You see, first you have to enter into the configuration terminal mode here. So, you have to enter the command configure terminal, then it will take you to switch 1 into configuration terminal mode VLAN 10. So, you are assigning or creating a VLAN 10 and you are assigning a name to that VLAN for only a single department called engineering. In the same way, VLAN 20 for finance, VLAN 30 for management, VLAN 40 for marketing and VLAN 50 for sales, and you have to press enter exit and again exit from configuration mode. By this, you are creating the VLANs for different departments. So, after this one, we have to assign ports to that VLANs. So, if you see, again show VLAN brief to check whether the VLANs got created or not. It is very clear that apart from default 1002, 1003, 1004 and 1005, you can see now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are created, but you can see the ports are not assigned here. So, now we will assign the switch ports to the particular VLANs here. So, how to assign switch ports to VLANs? If you see here that VLAN 10 has the ports FA0/1, 0/2 and 0/3 to be assigned, and VLAN 20 0/4 and 0/5, VLAN 30 0/6 and VLAN 40 0/7 and 0/8 and VLAN 50 for 0/9 and 0/10. So, these are the ports to be assigned to VLAN IDs 10, 20, 30 and 40 here. If you see the configuration clearly, again go into the configuration terminal mode. Again, after entering into the configuration terminal mode, interface fast Ethernet 0/1 and given switch port access for VLAN 10 here. So, this is the command we use to assign the ports to the VLAN 10, and again the same thing is repeated for fast Ethernet 0/2 for given access VLAN 10 and switch port mode access. So, access port mode, and you can see 0/3 also is assigned switch port mode access. So, by this way we are assigning 0/1, 0/2 and 0/3 to VLAN 10. So, in the same way, if we can see that we are assigning 0/4 and 0/5 to VLAN 20, we use interface fast Ethernet 0/4 given as switch port access VLAN 10, and also given here clearly switch port mode access fast Ethernet 0/5 VLAN 10 and switch port mode access here. So, we are giving this as an access port, assigning the switch ports to the particular VLAN IDs as we discussed before. So, in the same way it is given with VLAN 30 of fast Ethernet 0/6. So, by this way we create the VLANs and we check whether the VLANs are created and we assign ports to it. So, this is about the VLAN configuration.